Hi, it's Weston I, back again with another video, and in this video, we are talking about a $3,000 scam that I almost fell for. So the other day, I got a text on my phone that was supposedly from Michael Edholm of Edholm Production, and he texted me asking if I wanted to do a job. He asked me to email edholproduction@gmail.com or something like that. edholproductions@gmail.com. So he wanted me to send him an email because he had a job opportunity for me, supposedly. So I shot him a quick email, and he quickly emailed me back with this right here. So this is the email he sent me. It says, "Hello Weston, thanks for the reply and the interest to work with us on this project. Your works are really impressive and aesthetic. I would like to work with you on this gig. There are a few details you need to know. Edholm Production, edholmproductions.com. A little bit of a discrepancy there. Is looking for an experienced photographer to work with on a forthcoming photo shoot. Photo shoot is capitalized for some reason. Our upcoming photo-shoot features a new accessories group. That must be the business name because it's all capitalized. New accessories group. Sounds very premium. Who specializes in the design, production, and distribution of fashion accessories and costume jewelry. Yearning. They're definitely yearning, it's even capitalized. To supply high street retailers, high street brands, sports, equestrian, and sailing brands, outdoor and leisure wear stores nationwide. Our client is a new accessories group. Now just the G in group. Now just that is capitalized for some reason. And then we got a double space here. Is looking to enter the market and do need catalogs of pictures to display. And then they hit enter or return, new paragraph. These products on different commercial platforms, magazines, online carts, etc. to promote their winter collection, which they will be looking to launch in March. They capitalized March, but they didn't add a period right here. I don't know, maybe Michael Edholm is just not super good with grammar. He probably runs a really good business, he's just not super good when it comes to English. And then he says, if you're interested in this project, it is important to understand a few details about the project. These are, you will be required to work with 2 models. There will be 3 outfits per model, 5 looks for each outfit with a total 30 looks/images. Okay. Outfits/wardrobe will be supplied by us. Nice. Location, date, and time will be fixed by me. And they want 30 professionally taken pictures in high-res digital copies, all capitalized, to really make sure that I know that they are supposed to be high-res digital copies. So unfortunately, I can't shoot these on film. They want them by September 6th, and I will be compensated a handsome $3,000, $1,000 up front and $2,000 final payment. That's a lot of money for 30 photos. I mean, obviously you gotta rent studio space, you gotta pay models and all that stuff, but yeah, still, $3,000, nothing to be sneezed at right there. I will hold full image rights, so I'll be the licensor, and as the photographer, we want you to handle other aspects of the gig and dictate the creative direction. If you can handle this, he's already questioning my abilities. If you can handle this, please reply with your full name/business name to be written on your payment and contract, phone number, and address. Michael Edholm, Edholm Production. He didn't even capitalize the P in his own business name. I am disappointed with this man's grammar. But $3,000 is $3,000. Who cares if the email is poorly formatted? So we pop up here and click on his website, and it takes us to Edholm Productions. And then he just put his URL up here as his header. Okay. If you want to see a good example of a website, this is an example of a high quality website right here. You see, we've got my logo right up here. Look at that. It's a transparent logo too, so you can drag it around for fun. I didn't do that. I don't know why it does that. Anyway, you've got a good logo here. You got all the tabs. You've got social medias. You've got high quality modern fonts, logos, all this good stuff. So that's my website. And there's his website. Color is descriptive. Black and white is interpretive. Edholm Productions. Is it Edholm Productions or Edholm Production? Please, I want to know. Anyway, he's got some bold Times New Roman going on right there. That's very professional right there. And then he's got his little write-up here. Edholm Productions, again, not capitalizing the P in his own name, is a fully capable, double space, fully awesome, triple space for maximum emphasis photography and video production company that weaves compelling narratives through cinema-grade videos and pictures designed to inspire, entertain, dash, and sell. We're not into showing off, just showing up and producing really great contents that's really effective too. See this guy here? This giant video light. It's probably like an ARRI light on a fat C-stand right there. If we do a reverse image search, we can find that this photo comes from Richer Studios out of Chicago. Aha! There's that same photo. This photo has been stolen from that guy. And if you go down here, reverse image search on his first portfolio image, we see it's actually from the website Pixabay, which is a free stock photography website. So he didn't even pay for his thing. Supposedly they took that. There's a photo from Tesla. They didn't take that for sure. If we do another reverse image search on the tires, we will see that the tire photo is from Awesome Wallpapers, wallhaven.cc-Pinterest. Wonderful. So yeah, all of their photos seem to be stolen. They do have a quote from Diana and a quote from Linda. Diana and Linda, that's it, that's all they got. And you've got Citibank, Adidas, Bombas, BetStar, some of our clients. Not even centered, it's just under the Bombas logo. I don't even know what that is. And I don't know what's with this formatting. View my work. Again, it's just stock photos. Oh, that cat's kind of cute though. Yeah, they gave themselves some awards here, just some random film festival awards or something. 39th annual gold winner. And if you search up this address right here, it's just part of the LAX airport parking system. So yeah, this is obviously a scam website. Look, even clicking on their logo, it does not bring you back to the homepage. How unprofessional. Wait, does my website even do that? Here, let's see. Weddings. Go to weddings. See some of our work there. And then if I click my logo, yes. Brings you back to the homepage like every good website should. Not his though. His is just the URL in text form. This feels like one of those like free website builders or something. Maybe like the Google website builder or something. Just signed in with his Gmail account and just threw this together. Honestly, it feels like just tossed together haphazardly. It's an awful website. And yeah, hilarious. So, that's a beautiful website again. Anyway, I did go down here and I sent him a little follow-up email to see what would happen. So I'm gonna blur this out so you can't see my phone number because he obviously already knows my phone number as he texted me. So I used my real phone number to not throw him off, but then I came up with a fake address in Portland and just gave him my name, phone number, address. And I did that 2 days ago and he has not responded. So either Michael is really busy doing some jobs for Adidas and Bombas, but my guess is maybe he was smart too, at least somewhat smart, and looked up this address and found out this address didn't exist, and maybe he figured I was onto him or something. But yeah, he has not responded. This is obviously a scam. And you know, honestly, I really don't know what he was trying to achieve with this. It's obviously a super elaborate scam targeted specifically at small business owners that do photography and videography, so it's super specialized, super specific. Honestly, maybe he's a scammer that's just trying to get more clever. Maybe he was getting found out too easily. Maybe people were catching on when he was just doing general scams, so he decided to scam in this way. The grammar is so bad that even like a middle school dropout would probably write better than that, especially if they're trying to write a convincing scam. So my guess is they're not a native English speaker. And you know, that's fine. But if you're trying to pass yourself off as a native English speaking American filmmaker out in like California or something, you need to at least be able to write and spell and use proper grammar and all that stuff. But yeah, it's pretty clear if you look at everything that this was written very fast and they didn't even exactly know what they were doing. Honestly, even if you don't know English that well, who puts a triple space between two random words or hits enter and isn't like whoops and then hits backspace? It honestly blows my mind how like crazy some of these scam emails look and how like almost purposely carelessly they are done. And I know in the past they have said with scams like this that they purposely try to make them dumb so that they only get the most vulnerable people who will fall for literally any stupid thing. But for this scam, they seem to be going after business owners. You would think it would be a lot harder to trick a business owner, and yeah, it is. I'm sure it is probably harder to trick a business owner. And they still put that little work into making it convincing. Honestly, when I first read it, I just pulled out my phone when I got the email and I just scrolled through and just like glanced through it, so I didn't see all of the weird formatting and grammar issues as I just speed read it really fast while I was out on a shoot. And I was like, $3,000, that sounds good. I think I'll do this. And so when I got home, back to the studio, I went and read through the email. I was like, wait a minute, something's fishy here. Check out the website. And I'm like, let's try some reverse image searching. And that, along with the fact that his address is a parking garage for LAX with some other just random little shops nearby, and it's like there's no video production suite nearby, and it's not even his house or anything. It's pretty laughable how much work they put into this scam and how little work, ironically, they put into this scam. Honestly though, going out and buying a domain, throwing together a free website, making the super long email, they put a lot of work into this, and I honestly don't even know their intentions. Are they trying to get my bank information so that they can pull money from my account? I don't know. They're saying I need to send them my address for the invoice. Do they want my address for some reason? That's not gonna get them a lot, especially if they're not even in the country. They can't come take my stuff. I don't think they were planning on sending a check. I think they were planning on pulling a more classic scam in the end, but they didn't respond to me, and we'll never find that out because I don't want to risk losing money to these guys. In conclusion, if you are a business owner or a freelance photographer or someone who has some social media presence where people like this will find you and try to trick you into doing jobs for them, where they'll be like, here's a lot of money, can you go and use your artistic and aesthetic skills and make this project for us? We'll give you thousands upon thousands of dollars to work with this big brand. We won't tell you the brand's name, but you get to work with this big brand, you get to set all this stuff up, pay these people, pay for locations, and then we will pay you. I don't think that's ever gonna happen. Something weird's gonna go on with this. So yeah, be aware, this might be a new scam that's starting to circulate around. This is the first time I'm seeing it. I'm very familiar with the classic scams. I've done a lot of like scam baiting, scammers call me, I'll mess with them because it's kind of funny. But this scam's just weird. I have never seen a scam this elaborate. It's the strangest scam I've seen, and it's a lot more convincing than a classic scam, but still, you can see all the red flags. Don't fall for this. Keep your eyes out. Make sure you can find the people. Make sure I couldn't find Michael Edholm on LinkedIn, on Instagram, or anything. He doesn't exist. This is all fake. So make sure you do your due diligence when you're planning on taking on jobs and responding to your emails and your texts and stuff, especially if you have a social media following like I do and you start getting people like this who want to scam you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you steer clear from those scams and hit that like button and that subscribe button to help me out. Check out my links in the description. Go down to Epidemic Sound if you want to use the music that I've been using in my videos and you really like it. There's a link down there for a free trial and it helps me out if you use my link. So check it out down below. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those things that help the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in the next video.